Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here building my second PC. It's not actually mine, it's my brother's, but I'm gonna build it myself. So I hope you guys stay through the video and come and learn to build a PC with me. This is gonna be the PC I'm building, and I hope you guys all enjoy the video. Are we ready? Are we live? So we're building my brother's PC. The motherboard is ready. And then we're putting the motherboard inside. Okay, I pre-installed the CPU and the RAM already, so they're all in. You can see it here, and then the other one's like under this thing. We have the SSD. Okay, we're going in and putting some screws, screwing out our lovely motherboard right here because we don't want it to like fall off. And remember, when you're screwing, do not screw not too tight, remember, but not to lose either. Okay, we're done. We did it. We gotta go to the other side of the case now. So now we're gonna take this glass from the front, guys. Okay, I'll show you guys. I'm mounting the fans now. We did everything. So you guys see, I can't move it because do not buy this case. This case does not come with drive trays, and it sucks. So I put our cooler right on top of here. We were putting some wires in. Of course, it looks really pretty. We started putting it on top. We wanted to put it on the side, but we decided to just go for the top part. We have like two cables on top. So before you put your fan, make sure you connect the cables, okay? That's the most important because you don't want to like have to unscrew the top again and then try to figure out and put the, because on the right corner, like on the top right corner of the motherboard, you can see that there's like, I don't know if you can see it, but you had to connect like three cables in there. RGB and the fans. This is just my second PC I'm building, so be nice to me. I have so many cables here. So you see, we connected the drive, right? 2 terabytes drive. Okay, so we have two drives. They're connected to the SATA cable, and it's connected to the motherboard. So make sure you guys connect that as well. It's not that hard to build a PC. You just have to like be patient. And also now, if you do decide to buy the Corsair fans in the front, to put them in the front, right? It comes with this, like it comes with a RGB hub already. And also it comes with this little thing that's like for the LED lights. Because I replaced all the fans that like they came with this ugly fans. I'm not a fan of. Like I really don't like these fans. I'd rather have my Corsair fans because I'm fancy. And yeah, that's about it. So now what we're gonna do is we bought the GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. Pretty expensive. I can afford it, but my brother can afford it, so he bought it. I would have gotten it if I waited. When I was building my PC, like literally they were just coming out with the RTX 30s, like 3000s. So I couldn't buy it. Because I was like, I'm not gonna wait like a year or 2 years to build my PC, so I just did it. Yeah, I'm turning it down. So we can see we have our PC like this. This is the back. Now we're gonna install this. Please remember to take off the panel before you start this. We're winning, guys. We're literally winning. Building a PC like a woman building a PC. When do you see this? Okay, we're gonna place this right here. We're gonna use our master weapon. Let's try again, guys. Yeah, it locked already. Good, we're good. Okay, so now we can put the little bracket back in. Okay, we're done. Okay, guys, we're gonna look for this cable. Click, it clicked. Okay, bet we're done. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Test number one. It doesn't turn on. Oh, I didn't turn this on. Now I'm gonna turn it on, and it's all on. The fans are not moving, so we gotta check why the fans are not moving. So this turns on good, but the screen is not on either. Oh, it's right here. Okay, it's good. Good, it turned on. Okay, but the fans are not working. That adapter for the fans is so useless. Connect this fan inside here, I guess. I connected one of the fans. Now let's go for the second one. I need one more fan. We're done. Okay, let's see. Oh. Yes, King, we did it. Everything is working. The three fans in front are working. Uh, the inside, all the fans are running perfectly fine. We're done. We're good. ASUS, raw straight, total memory. Press F1 to enter battle. F7. The DLCP. Put save next to it. Okay. It's good. Everything is in here. So this is the final product that I have just built. It looks beautiful. I'm not taking the wrapper off because the owner is gonna have the pleasure of unwrapping his lovely PC. So this is my first PC that I built. I mean, my first PC that I built is this one. It's mine. It's beautiful. It's off right now. And this is my brother's. Look how pretty it looks. The CPU with the fans on top, a fan in the back, three Corsair fans running in the front. We have the GeForce RTX right there. 3070 Ti. We have what else? We have the Ryzen 5800X. We have what else? The motherboard. We have the ASUS ROG strip. And we have EVGA SuperNOVA. And also we have the Corsair Vengeance cards. Well, anyways, we have a bunch of parts. If you want to know more about the parts, just text me. I recommend you guys not buying this case because it was a really big struggle to put it all together. Mine was so easy, basically, because like if you open my thing here, like you have the and this doesn't come with a drive trays. My specs are I have a 2070 RTX. I have the cooler. My cooler is a fan because I was so scared to put a liquid cooler on my thing because I thought I was gonna mess it up. But look at this one. I put this liquid cooler in there and it went perfectly fine. Yeah, I have the RGB RAM. My CPU is the i9. I mean, I didn't know what parts to buy at first, so I just bought it like that. And I also have three hard drives. And I also have my Corsair, but you can't even see it, so it was pointless even getting it. You can see it in the front, like in the inside. And look how easy my PC was to build because it's like all glass. His, like, you have to screw it out and everything. It's really hard. Don't ever get this case. I do not recommend it if you're like starting to build a PC. It'll be very hard. I'll go with this. I totally forgot the prices, but I think it's around the same price. Oh, his was like around 80. Mine was like 120. The whole PC, my brother's was I think it was 4,000. Yeah, it was a $4,000 PC. Mine was also almost a $4,000. It was like 3,000 something, almost 4,000. Yeah, but it's pretty good. Look, pretty steady. Cables are all nice and neat. Look at my PC. Look at my cables, all nice and neat. Nothing in there. It's just dirt because I haven't cleaned it. But yeah, my PC, you guys can see it in the back. I have two monitors. I have my streaming cam and I have my HyperX mic, 40 hertz. Oh, 240 hertz. Yeah, my brother, this one is one of his monitors, but it's a 4K one. He's getting the same as mine in Alienware. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you have any more information on how to build a PC, just comment on the video and I'll try to help you out because, I also am a little new, but I just built one whole PC and I've built another one. So if anyone just has some questions, I'll try to answer the best I can. Don't forget to leave a like and comment. Bye. Alexa, play Spotify. Who's Spotify? Alexa, lower the volume all the way. Alexa, lower the volume all the way. Alexa, lower the volume all the way down. Alexa doesn't understand my broken English. Sheesh. Alexa shaking my head. Bye. Oh, I shouldn't have said bye. You gotta cut. You gotta cut. You gotta cut the bye part. Oh, there's a mosquito in my room and it's biting me.